Okay, last up we're going to do a division problem with scientific notation. So here in this example we have carbon 12. Carbon 12 has a mass of 0.012 kilograms per mole. Mole is the amount of substance that is around, and we use it in chemistry. So that tells you the mass, and Avogadro's number tells you how many particles there are per mole. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles per mole. So I want to find out what is the mass of a single carbon atom. And the way I would figure that out is, well, I have 0.12 kilograms. Actually, I want to convert this to scientific notation. So I would, first kilograms is 10 to the third grams. So I would multiply it times 10 to the third. And that would move the decimal point over 3 spots. So I'd get 12, but then I'll just put it in scientific notation. So 1, 2, 3. But then I want to move it back 1, so it'd be 1.2 times 10 to the first. Right, so yeah. And then, so that'd be grams per mole. So now to convert grams per mole, so this is 1.2 times 10 to the first grams per 1 mole. And then I want to use this idea that 1 mole, and I want to put moles on top so I can cancel it out. 1 mole is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles. Now, so I would divide those. So the way you would divide two things that are in scientific notation, you can put them over the top of each other just like this. And because multiplication is commutative, I can multiply in any order, and I can just do it in this order. So when I divide two things that have the same base, all I do is subtract exponents. So 1 minus 23 would be negative 22. And this one here, I'd have to use my calculator, so it's, where's my mouse? There it is. Okay, so 1.2 divided by 6.022. And get 0.199. So it's 0.199 times 10 to the minus 22, but that's not in scientific notation. So I want to make it in scientific notation, so it'll be 1.99. Now to figure out what exponent needs to go there. So for this to be equivalent to this, it needs to be smaller. So this means to be minus 23. Right. So if I, multiplied both of these by 10, right, then or divided this one by 10 and multiplied this one by 10, it's the same as multiplying by 1. So dividing by 10 moves the decimal place over 1, and it makes this number smaller, right? So that is the equivalent. Okay, so that's the answer in scientific notation, 1.99 times 10 to the minus 23 particles. No, this is not particles, sorry. This is grams per particle, right? And that's what I wanted to find, right? How much does 1 gram of carbon weigh? Or what is the mass of one carbon atom?